Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Traditional Healthcare Tips. So I hope that you have liked my first video which I had posted on the use of turmeric in the treatment of cold, and I also hope that you have also watched my second video which was again on the use of turmeric but in the treatment of cough. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the health benefits of taking honey. But before talking about the health benefits of honey, let's know what honey actually is. Honey is basically the golden sweet viscous liquid which is made by the bees by collecting the nectar from different flowers. The transport bees or the forage bees which are responsible for collecting the nectar from different variety of flowers consume this nectar and store this nectar in their stomach. Now, once these transport bees reach their hives, they regurgitate the nectar into the crop of the processor bee or the chewing bees. The processing bee converts the nectar into the honey by adding special enzymes to it. Now, once the honey is made, the next step is to dry out the honey. Now, it is important to dry out the honey because it contains water. So, to reduce the water content from the honey, the honeybees fan their wings, which helps in accelerating the process of evaporation of water from the honey. Once the process of ripening is complete, now the next step is to seal the honey in the cell. Now this work is done by the processor bee. Sealing the cell with the airtight wax by the processing bee is important because it prevents the honey from absorbing the moisture from the environment. Because the absorption of the moisture from the environment can lead to the growth of the bacteria and fungus. To get the maximum health benefits from the honey, it is important to know whether honey is pure or impure. Now, I am going to share 3 tests with you, which you can easily do at your home to check the purity of the honey. So, let's begin with the first test. The first test is the water test. Add 1 spoon of honey to 1 glass of water. If the honey is pure, it will settle at the bottom of the glass, but if it is impure, it is going to dissolve in the glass of water. The second test is the flame test. To conduct this test, you need a cotton ball which you have to dip in the honey. Now you have to ignite this cotton ball with the help of the fire. If the cotton ball catches the fire, it is of pure quality. Now the third test is the blotting test. In the blotting test, what you have to do is you have to put some honey on a piece of paper or on a piece of cloth. If the honey is pure, it is not going to leave any sort of stain on the piece of paper or on the piece of cloth. Let's begin with the main content of the video. The first tip deals with the use of honey to get rid of the fatigue. So in order to get rid of the fatigue, what you have to do is you have to take half glass of lukewarm water. To this glass of water, add 2 spoons of honey. Also, don't forget to squeeze 1 lemon in this glass of water. Have this drink to get rid of the exhaustion. In the second tip, you need to have powdered carom seeds. Take a little amount of these powdered carom seeds and add it to honey to get rid of the stomachache. In the third tip, take 1 spoon of dry amla powder and add it to honey to get rid of the loose motion. In the fourth tip, take little amount of powder of black sesame seeds and add it to honey to get relief from the constipation. I hope that you're liking the content which I'm sharing with you. If you like the content, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Also, please don't forget to press the bell icon for the notification for my further videos. Stay tuned for my next videos. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.